Good morning, students. In module first, I will discuss ninth math chapter 4 linear equation in two variables. Before starting the topic, I will discuss here some basics here. First of all, I will discuss what is linear equation in one variable. An equation in the form of ax plus b equal to 0, where a and b are constant real number and x is variable here. X is variable here, and one important thing is a is not equal to 0, because if a equal to 0, तो a in 0 into x will be 0. So a is not equal to 0. For example, x minus 9 equal to 0. X is variable and 9 is constant, and x plus 2 equal to 0. Y minus root 3 equal to 0. One important thing is, for linear equation, the exponent of variable must be 1. See, here exponent of this variable is 1, and this also 1, and variable of y also, or you can say exponent of y also 1. Clear? And solution of the linear equation in one variable. How can you solve the linear equation in one variable? For example, x plus 5 equal to 0. So you can find the value of x. X is equal to minus 5. So minus 5 is the solution of this equation, or you can say that it is the unique solution, and we can say represent on number line this one, like this: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. It is this one. Clear? And one important, what is root beta? Solution of the equation with value which satisfy the equation is called the root of the equation. Like this, minus 5 is the root of this equation, means solution. Clear? And then I will discuss here linear equation in two variables. An equation in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0, where a, b, c are constant real number, and a is not equal to 0 and b is not equal to 0. You see very attentively. If a is equal to 0, then 0 into x 0, so variable is y. And if y equal to 0, so 0. If b equal to 0, 0 into y is also 0. Then it is not a linear equation in two variable, because in two variable must be 2, x and y. So an equation in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0, where a, b, c, a is not equal to 0, b is not equal to 0, c may be 0, because equation you can write like this: x plus y equal to 0. And x, y, they are variables. Clear? For example, 2x plus y equal to 6. Here x and y, they are variable. 2u plus 9v equal to 18. U and v, they are two variables here. So equation of the form of ax plus b equal to 0 are also the example of linear equation in two variable. Because this ax plus b equal to 0, you can write like this beta. It is a linear equation one variable, and we can also write this ax plus 0y plus b equal to 0. So actually the definition of this equation, linear equation two variable, is a is not equal to 0 and b is not equal to 0. Here you see b is equal to 0. So if you see the definition, it is not the linear equation in two variable. but it is in your book it is given that how can you convert this one into this linear equation into two variable. So you can write like this, x plus here y variable is not there, so 0 y you can write, plus 2 equal to 0. Clear? So a linear equation you can write in two variable like this. Clear? So this is the basic of linear equation in two variable, and in next module I will solve exercise 4.1. Thank you.